Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ngindu. In today's video we're gonna review Elemo hair. Let's go straight. Okay guys, so let's start. So it came in these packages, and inside you have the cap, you have the comb, and you have those lashes that I apply at. I think they're trying to give you gifts, you know, just to, so you're gonna like the brand. It's good promoting. And this bag and this hair. The reason why actually my heart is on hurt is because I actually opened it for 5 seconds. I was actually a little happy. I was happy because I was so scared that it was a scam, that the last thing I was expecting it to be, it was like something that a short hair or something like that. So I'm not going to speak too much. So this is the hair. So I, of course, as I told you, it was 24 inches. So this is the hair, how it come from. They don't know me, I don't know. They didn't sponsorize me, and I'm happy. So this is how the hair look like. And my concern about those hair from, you know, those cheap hair from those company is to make sure that the ends look actually pretty good, you know. So from the texture, it looked pretty great. This is how it looks like. You know, as the normal wig. Thank God! I was actually afraid. Did you see? I want you to see it well before I start. I try it, because you're here to not see me but to see the hair. So I want to give you a great look of the texture. I've actually even removed some light corrector that I will do when I will edit the video, this part, so you can see well how the hair will look like without any light correcting. You know that they, you know, to put something, because it's not going to be like a real hair, because a real hair, I don't think they will sell it that cheap. Too much talking, let's wear it. Cause if you saw my my review about that I will post about the Love Me hair come with a paper that they're giving you, where they're giving you some description. And this one come only with this tiny thing that's a Elemo hair, 100% virgin human hair, unprocessed natural hair, healthy and durable hair, soft and thick, no shading, no tangle. And this one actually is full compared to the Love Me hair that I bought. It's full. It's very full, not even kidding. And when I'm brushing, it's not coming out a lot. I don't want to ruin my wig actually. So let's go. You have this thing too. Actually, even though they're trying to make it as cheap as possible, they are trying actually to build their brand, you know, trying to make something pretty good, because it's not really a mess. You know, it's not a fake wig. The cap, if I can call it, the cap that they use to make the wig, is not really bad. It's a sophisticated, it looks sophisticated. So I'm gonna cut it. And it has this pocket right here that is inside. I don't know why they put it, but actually I think you're supposed to cut it. So I'm gonna cut it then come back, because I don't want the video to be too long. I already wear my wig. And I'm not gonna try to make it a glue actually. I like to make it pretty tight. So let the truth come. Ah! This is just me being extra, being happy. I'm happy. I'm telling you, I'm happy because I didn't think that's gonna be like, for real, I would get like 24 inches for $125. I'm telling you, I didn't believe it at all. I am happy. I am super happy, I'm telling you. So this is how it look like without put any oil. This is how it looks like. And this is how, let me show you how long it is. This is how 22. Ah! Oh my belly! This is how 22 inches look like from them. Wait a minute, don't go yet. Let's fix everything. I will try to use it for at least 3 days, then I will put some commentary, because sometimes I feel like when you put it the first day, it's okay, then after 3 days it becomes another thing. I'm gonna put some amarula hair that I use for every hair that I buy. I like to go in so it's not gonna look too oily one place. And here on top I'm gonna put some, I'm gonna style it because you're not here for the style but you're here to see how the hair is, and I will come back. Alright guys, so this is the actually how it look like. It's a wavy, it's a little wavy. I didn't buy straight hair. I didn't wait, I wait wet and put some leave-in conditioner. That's why you see it look a little heavy, wavy. So the only thing that matters is because it's not plugging and I don't know how to plug, so I'm gonna leave it like that. The lace wig is just from here to here, so I can actually open it. Can still see how it is until here. You can see, right, it goes from here to here. So if you want to style it, you're gonna use that. Now what I think about it, I think, I don't know, maybe it's because they did dye it, because most of the time they dye it to make the color that we guys want. So maybe it's the dyed color that I don't really like, but that's I don't really like actually. But I don't know, it give it kind of fake, you know, a little fake. It had some brown color on it, so some brown color, like it was brown and they did dye it. I wanted to compare this to this is actually a natural hair that my mom bought for me from my country. This I have it for more than 1 year, I think. I don't know if when she bought it too it was fake, but this one is very full, a little heavy in hand. Let's see a comparison between both. This is actually one of the most human hair that I have in my house. This is how it look like. It has some white hair in it, so I wanted to compare it with the Love Me hair. This is Love Me hair, how it became. I don't know, if day after day I feel like it's getting a little bad. I don't know how to say it. It's not really better. I don't want to make a bad review, but just saying, this is Love Me hair, and this is Elemo or Elemo hair. This is how it is. For the final test, I'm gonna heat it. Okay, we have the heat protector. This one is from Fantasia. It looks like this, so I'm just gonna do this with heavy hair. Okay, not only the thing is we don't know the brand, so the last thing I want is to ruin my hair. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did take my I make it as hot as possible so you can see that it's at the end. I'm not doing just because you guys. Woo! Right? We like it, don't we? Oh my goodness, I'm excited! So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna take one of my things. Let's see how it is. So I'll try to open it and I'm gonna comb it with this. This is how it's gonna look like. So guys, my conclusion of the hair, I think it's great. It's pretty good. Okay, I just have one concern. I don't know, I don't want to do a bad publicity for them, but I just don't understand how come it can be real hair and be 120 30 24 inches. The one thing good is about this is that it's not every time that I touch I don't have hair coming out, but compared to Love Me hair come a lot. Hairs always come out. Not a lot, but it always come out. Maybe because this is 30-60 degree, so everything is plugging. So that's why maybe it came out easily. I think if you're looking for a cheap wig, you don't want to buy like a $600 24 inches hair or 700, you can go from this one. So from Elemo to Love Me Hair, I'm gonna wait for this a couple of days to see it, okay? But at the end of from now, it still look quite the same, okay? Quite the same texture. It's not really. Do you remember when the Brazilian hair or human hair came out, the way it was thick, and you know, the way it was, and compared to those coming out those days, I feel like they're putting some synthetic in it. But it's pretty great. It takes the heat, and when I bought it, the owner said that the things will last 1 to 2 years. So you are investing like 140 something for 2 years. I think that's a good investment. What else I wanted to say? If you want to buy it, go for it. One lesson I wanted to give also for my girls that want to buy those cheap human hair. If you want to buy, I recommend you to buy not a 30-60 wave. Don't do that, because it's coming out easily, and because they're going to plug in one by one, I'm pretty sure you're going to have more fake in it than in normal hair. Yeah, if you want to buy, I think I'm going to buy the bob hair. You want to buy the bob hair, bob wig, or this one, the one that not the one that they say 30-60. You don't want that. So this is how it's gonna look like. I hope you guys did like my review. My name is Rachel. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you. See you